Hey everybody, I got a lot of time here at the end of time. So I picked up woodworking. I hope you're excited as I am, very much so. I will show you the chronicling journey of the wooden puppet, the great Animizer, history untold. There's a lot to tell though. I will continue to carve, shape, and create, and introduce you to the fine individuals of the land of the wooden puppet. We will continue our journey next time with wood. But today, I have chisel. Keep your chisel sharp. Keep them ready. You never know what type of wood is out there. Follow the birds. They say chirp. Thank you. And find your time to rhyme. Okay, there's my chime. Bye.